Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a DIY project here that I want to do. So I've got these kind of grip tape, skateboard grip tapes here on my other bike. I want to go ahead and install them on this bike. I did give it a ride without them. And besides the added grip, it's also going to add some protection here to the powder coating, maybe to the subframe as well. Probably not. I'm not sure yet on that one. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we've got to work with today. We've got some paper here, a Ziploc bag, some tape. Really can be any tape. I just picked up some painter's tape. It was nearby. We've got some scissors, pencil, Sharpie, and this is the actual grip tape itself. So I'll actually go ahead and link this probably here, there, or I'll just throw a screenshot of it. Essentially, the goal of what we've got going on here is to create these, right? And these are gonna be our templates, our blanks, to be able to cut out this to precision. So what I'm going to do is show you pretty much how to make these, how I've done them, and let's go ahead and show you now. This is kind of my way of doing it. I'm sure there's better ways out there, but this is what I've found to be the easiest way to do it. It's customizable. You can do this pretty much for any part of the bike, anytime you want to do something like this. So just a quick, easy trick. If you guys have any other tips or tricks, please feel free to leave them below. Let me know what you think. So the first thing we want to do is actually take this one Ziploc bag and turn it into 2 blank sheets. I'm just going to cut this. Okay, perfect. So now we've got 2 blank pieces. So now let's head on over to the bike. So off camera, I actually changed to a different Ziploc bag, one that was a little bit longer. Just measured it out against the template that I had, just to make sure that it fits. I want to show you guys the best possible example of how to do this, so I figured I'd do it right. So what I'm going to do is take some tape, tear it out, and essentially get ready to tape this all into the frame. Up against the frame. So it's pretty good, as you can see. I'm going to actually start drawing my frame onto the bag. So I'll go ahead and hold this pretty tight. And go ahead and take this off now. I'll show you guys a rough drawing. Right there, that's what it looks like. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Alright, now we have our sets ready to go back to the bike. So I've got some rubbing alcohol to basically clean up that frame, get it all nice and dirt free, all cleaned up, ready for this to adhere to really nice and easily.